Hello everyone. In previous video, we understood about databases, what they are, how they are used in applications, and the types of databases. So two popular types, relational databases and NoSQL databases. Now the database which we are going to learn today is mongoDB. So in this video, we are going to first install So you need to go to your search engine and search for mongoDB. This is the official website of mongoDB.com, and this is actually, it has two different versions, paid version and also free version. Use company is basically free and enterprise is paid. So if we go to start free, and this is actually Atlas. So Atlas is basically on cloud. So we are going to use mongoDB on premise. We are going to install mongoDB on our computer. So let's search for mongoDB installation on Mac. When you do that, the second link which we have here is install mongoDB edition. As you can see here, we have mongoDB enterprise version. And this is community. So if you are a student, if you are just using mongoDB for learning purposes, then you can use community. And the applications which you are create, then you can use enterprise. So here are all the detailed steps which we need to follow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the terminal because all these commands to go on terminal. Okay, so there are some prerequisites. Prerequisites are that we should have mongoDB installed. I have already used this before, but if you don't have this installed, you can install it and still have it from here. There are all the detailed steps which you can use to install Home. Home is basically a package manager for Mac OS. It helps you install each type of tools on your Mac. Just like NPM is a package manager for Windows. NPM is a package manager for Mac. Perfect. Once that has been installed, then what we need to do is we need to tap the MongoDB and tap from your official Home formula for Home. So let's do that. This is going to first download and then later we will install. Right. Okay, it looks like I already have this downloaded, but if you're doing this for the first time, then it might take some. Okay. Next is that it is saying that you should update from you and all the existing formula. So let's do that. Again, you might already be updated. In that case, it will not be required. And this is still there. Alright. Next then command is to basically install mongoDB community at 6.0. There are different versions of mongoDB available. We are using 6.0, but you can also use, because you have to work on applications where there are previous versions are used, right? Or in future there are other versions which is going to come. So you can install multiple versions if that is required. Alright. So here I'm going to install mongoDB 6.0. Let's install mongoDB and 6. Okay, so depending on your network speed and also your operating system version, you might take some time. Alright, so we need to, I think, we need to first install this part. So I'm going to run this command because this is another prerequisite command line 2 which we need to install. This is another prerequisite which we need to have. I thought it was already there, but apparently it isn't. So I'm getting this message, install the command line 2. So export is in this command line 2 which we need to install. So this is the command which you need to execute before starting your install. It says to start mongoDB community now and we start at login. We can start our mongoDB with this command. So let's start our mongoDB. So view services start mongoDB. Successfully started mongoDB. So our mongoDB has been installed and has been started. Let's verify that. So to verify if it has been installed in the current version or not, you can use the command code -. And as you can see, it has installed 6.0.6 version and these are other details. Perfect. So now our mongoDB has been installed and we can actually start working with mongoDB by creating the database and all using the commands. But there is a UI tool, a very popular UI tool, which is available to use where you can also see in the UI format like how the data is stored and it can also perform other operations. So with our mongoDB installation completed, we will now install another tool which is basically a UI tool for mongoDB. So let's get started. So UI tool which I'm talking about is basically mongoDB Compass. Alright, and this comes from official mongoDB teams. It is not a third party developer who has created it. So click on mongoDB Compass. This is the UI tool. Click on download now. As this. Okay. So here we are using 4-64-bit. If you are on Windows, you can select Windows. And also for mongoDB installation, we have similar set of steps for Windows as well, which you can follow here. It's also available log if you want. Ignore that if you have error of what log is for now. So we have the installation steps for Windows as well. We have followed for macOS. Now we need to install mongoDB for POS for macOS. So download, and once it has been downloaded, let's extract this. Sorry, I've downloaded mongoDB shell. We need to install mongoDB from POS, 0 and perfect. The platform is macOS. Experience has been downloaded, and I'm going to move this to applications. Perfect. Search for .ps. Here, applications. Once it has been copied, we just need to click and then.
చెప్పరా ఇంటికాడే ఉన్నా ఆధార్ కార్డు ఒకటి ఈ అడ్మిన్ కార్డు ఒకటి సరిపోద్ది కదా పాన్ ఉంది ఇంకా తీపిలేదు నేను అక్కడ తీపిస్తాను ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ చేయకపోతే సరే నాకు పెట్టు నేను తీపిచ్చినప్పుడు తీపిస్తా లేదనుకుంటే నీకు చెప్తా పాన్ కార్డు ఒకటి అడ్మిన్ కార్డు ఒకటి ఫోటో మూడునా మన ఫోటో కూడా ఒకటి సరే సరే అదే చూస్తున్నారా ఓకే
used to manage MongoDB, right? You can also create your own database, then your own data items, you can store documents, collections, all of that we'll be talking about next week. In this video, we have installed our MongoDB first using the mongoDB tool, and then we installed the UI application which allows us to visualize what is happening inside. But we will also learn how to run commands using CLI tools like terminal to work with MongoDB. So stay tuned and I'll see you